Go na? Okay, so hi po, I am Princess Daryl Luengas and I am a student at UM po. So today we'll conduct a short interview po. And first we'll ask po, what's your name?
I'm Matt. I work for Infinity Travel.
Oh, I see.
We are showcasing the itong Austria. Actually, booth ito ng Austria.
Oh, I see. So, how are you feeling today po? Oh, I see. That's good. So, kanang amo pa last question is, how was this event po?
Since first day pa siya, medyo laylo pa kaayo.
Yes po.
I think in the coming days, mas maka-showcase kami sa mo ang mga products. Anyway, showcase ko na mo ang Taglup Strawberry Hills,
Oh,
which is also the owner of Infinity Travel. So, sa mga coming days, namin mga free days. So, kasi maka-visit mo.
Ay, yes.
Namin,
Until Sunday man po.
Yes,
no?
until Sunday. So, mo na mo ang ginasell dito.
I see. So, thank you so much po and good class. Thank you.